Hello student. Student, this is your English lecture. In our question paper, there is always one question, and that is the writing skill. In writing skill, there are so many questions. For example, letter writing is there, dialogue writing is there, as well as one question is there where we have to read the given passage and we have to draw a tree diagram. This is our question. Here we learn how to draw a tree diagram. Here one passage is given here. First of all, I will read that passage loudly. After that, you have to pause the video and then you have to draw a tree diagram with me. Okay? Now, just see in the passage. The passage is about the oil. Oil is necessary in the nutrition of our body. There are three types of oil. They are groundnut oil, vegetable oil and mineral oil. Groundnut oil is prepared from groundnut which we use for eating. Groundnut oil is used in cooking food. This is all information about first one, that is groundnut oil. Second oil, that is the vegetable oil. See, vegetable oil is prepared from vegetable flowers. Vegetable flowers are used in the manufacturing of soaps, medicine and scent. This is all information about vegetable oil. And the third oil, that is mineral oil. Mineral oil is obtained from the crust of the earth. This oil is used for driving machines. It is used in the industry also. Means in this paragraph there is the information about oil. Now we have seen all the information about oil. Now see, in this paragraph there are three types of oil. Which one? First one, that is groundnut oil. This is the first oil. Second one, that is the vegetable oil. And the third one, that is the mineral oil. These three one we have to write here. First of all, give the title, that is the oil. There are three types of oil. Which one? Groundnut oil here. Groundnut oil. This is the first type of the oil. Second one, that is the vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. This is the second type of oil. And third type of oil, that is the mineral oil. That is mineral oil. These are three types of oil. Which one? Groundnut oil, vegetable oil and third one, that is the mineral oil. In the first para, here all information about groundnut oil. From which we get that groundnut oil? Just see here. From groundnut we get groundnut oil. So after that groundnut oil, here we have to mention the sources from which we get groundnut oil. That is groundnut. Means we get groundnut oil from groundnut. What is the use of that groundnut oil? We can use groundnut oil in cooking as well as in eating. This is the use of groundnut oil. So we have to mention that the uses here. First one in eating and the second one in cooking. Means in the first para there is all information about groundnut oil. Just see, first one, groundnut oil. We get groundnut oil from groundnuts and the use of that groundnut oil eating and cooking. Now see, second type of oil, that is the vegetable oil. In the second para, there is all information about that vegetable oil. From which we get vegetable oil? Just read here. From vegetable flowers, we get vegetable oil. So, write here vegetable oil from vegetable flowers. We get vegetable oil from vegetable flowers. What is the use of vegetable flower? Just read here. Vegetable flowers are used in the manufacturing of soaps, medicine and scent. This is the use of vegetable oil. So after that, here we have to write it for manufacturing of soap, medicine and scent we use. Second one, that is vegetable oil. We get vegetable from vegetable flowers. The use of vegetable oil is for manufacturing of soap, medicine and scent. Third type, that is the mineral oil. From which we get that mineral oil? From the crust of the earth we get mineral oil. So first of all we have to write here crust of earth. From that crust of the earth we get mineral oil. What is use of mineral oil? Just see here. In the driving machines and in the industry we can use that mineral oil. So here we have to write driving machines, and in the industry we have to use that mineral oil. Now see, this all chart is called T diagram. With the help of this paragraph, here we draw that diagram. So you have to pause this video and write, first of all write this passage and then draw this T diagram. Afterwards we will see next example. Now we will see the second paragraph. First of all read that paragraph. Vitamins are, this paragraph is about vitamins. Vitamins are mainly of four types: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. We will get vitamin A from milk, butter and eggs. Lack of vitamin A may result in blindness. This is all information about vitamin A. Now see about vitamin B. Vitamin B is derived from meat and eggs. Insufficiency of vitamin B gives rise to disorder of nervous system. This is about vitamin B. Now see about vitamin C. Fruits and vegetables will provide you vitamin C. Deficient supply of vitamin C can cause skin diseases. Now last one, that is vitamin D. Vitamin D can be obtained from fish oil and of course from sunlight. Both diseases are likely to occur in the absence of vitamin D. Means in this paragraph we get all information about vitamins. Totally there are 4 vitamins. Which one? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. With the help of that paragraph, now we will draw a tree diagram. First of all, give title. The title is vitamins. Make 4 parts. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. These are 4 vitamins. From which we get vitamin A? We get vitamin A from milk, butter and eggs. We get vitamin B from meat and eggs. We get vitamin C from fruits and vegetables. And we get vitamin D from fish oil and sunlight. If there are deficiency of that vitamins, some diseases occurs in our body. Let's see. If there is a deficiency of vitamin A, there will be blindness. If there is a deficiency of vitamin B, there is a disorder of nervous system in our body. If there is deficiency of vitamin C, there is a skin diseases. And if there is a deficiency of vitamin D, there is a disease of bone diseases. Means these diseases will occur in our body because of deficiency in our body. So, first of all, write this paragraph and after that, draw this tree diagram in your notebook. Thank you.